Kasama ba si
At ang
EB
lahat
Babes?
ng EB Babes, sir.
Okay.
Kompleto kami attendance.
Oh, ay, lahat ng EB
Come on,
Babes.
girls, girls. Girls! Sa
Okay.
likod, girls. Sa likod.
Oh, Antonis, ito naman ang sinasabi nila kapag gusto nila magsabi ng I love you. Ano to?
Wa-aini.
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 Correct.
Yan na. Dali lang.
Correct. Oy! Ano yung ginagawa?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Wa-aini.
Wa-aini ho.
Ho!
Lumilipad eh.
Siyempre, kaganda ng mga katawa ng mga yan, patatalo ka pa.
Hip-hop version.
Is that the island spell that is calling to me? It's not the balmy air, nor the tropical sea. It's just a little brown girl in a little grass skirt, in a little grass shack.
In Wa-aini.
It isn't Waikiki, nor Kamehameha's Valley, not the Beach Boys 3, or the hum of Mally Mally. It's a little brown girl in a little grass skirt, in a little grass shack.
In Wa-aini.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Sana maligo tayo lahat.
Okay, oh,
Sige,
paikot.
sige girls, paikot.
Ah, paikotin yan. Oh, Kim, lakas mo. Okay. Wa-aini. Ano kaya? May pumalit pa kaya kila Jeneline? Ay! Ano ba yan?
Hi!
Hoy! Pasok, pasok! Pasok,
Pasok kayo girls. Nakakaloka naman, may show pa naman tayo sa Quezon Ab.
Okay. Hoy, dali! DJ!
Pasok girls!
Hoy.
Girls!
Oh, ano yun?